Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a simple breakfast. Here is my bread and also my bread and my eggs. I'm using 5 eggs for this recipe. Very simple and easy to make. You can use it and eat it and you'll be glad you did. So I added my white pepper, my black pepper, my paprika and salt, little salt just to spice it up. The bread already had crumbs, so I had to pieces the bread into crumbs. So these are my seasoning. I added my seasoning. Then look at the frying pan, the saucepan. This is my butter, so I have to put melted butter. Then also I'll add the egg into the breadcrumb and what I've added my ingredient to make this simple breakfast recipe. So you have to pour the egg, making sure it's well incorporated into the bread. Guys, keep watching. So I will let this recipe sit on the gas for like 5 to 10 minutes and I'll turn and it's ready. This is a simple breakfast recipe that you can use each time you want to prepare a breakfast that is very fast, easy for you. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to enjoy this meal, this breakfast, this recipe with a healthy you can use anything to eat it as far as you're comfortable with it, but it's a simple breakfast recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Look at my tea. Look at my tea. So I'm using it to eat it. Thank you. Bye bye.